Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Mansoor Khan and I am your course instructor, and in this very lecture I am going to talk to you about advanced academic reading and writing. It's our 14th lecture, and in this specific class we are going to discuss about developing skills for assignment and term paper. In previous classes, we have discussed about report writing, we have discussed about research writing, academic writing, and close writing or close reading, or and report writing, and also we have discussed about the term paper or the paper making or the class making or passing out the exams. So in this very lecture we are going to discuss the developing skills for assignment and term paper. Our discussion agenda for this class is what are the steps to create an assignment, different strategies of good writing, how to start introduction, how to introduce yourself in assignment, 7 strategies of effective writing, 3 types of the reading strategies, and types of the reading, which are 4 types of the reading. So first of all, we have our first topic, and that is steps for the creating assignment. For creating an assignment, so in this class, in this topic, we have steps for creating your assignment. For creating your assignment, you have to plan that what will I write down in the assignment, what can be eye-catching and attractive for the readers of this very assignment. So you have to plan that what I'm going to write down and what I should write over here in my assignment. That will must have to be according to the reader's mind, that which sort of reader is going to read your assignment. If you are given an assignment in your class, so your teacher will read your assignment. So for your teacher you must have to put ideas according to your teacher's mind, or if you are given assignment in a company or in a project, so you will have to go according to your according to the parameters of your company or your job place or another. Analyze the question. First you have to analyze the question where you are going to work. Okay, on which question you are going to work, you have to analyze that particular question. Okay, draft an outline. Outline is compulsory for any sort of question. If you are sitting in an exam and you are answering a question in exam, or you are somewhere and you are attempting a question paper, or you are attempting an examination, so there you must have to make or draft an outline for each and every question. For your even your essay, if you are intended to write down an essay, so you must have to make an outline for your essay or for any other question or question paper. So this very outline will help you out how appropriate you are going to answer your questions. Okay, find informations. You will have to collect data of your research topic or of your assignment topic. First you have to find different information for your assignment, and after that you will be able to write it down in a appropriate way or in a transparent way. Write 6 edit and proofreading. So this is also an important part of the creating assignment, that you have to edit and proofread your assignment. You have to review your assignment with the help of any expert, or with the help of your teachers or friends, fellows. So these are basically the steps of creating an assignment, an appropriate and effective assignment. Our next topic is strategies of good writing. Here are some strategies, some techniques which are helpful in writing a good writing. Number first thing is that read as much as possible. If you are reading, you are a good reader, so you are a good writer as well. So reading is very much important for the good writing. Don't be a perfectionist when you are writing your first draft. If you are writing for the first time and you are going for a perfect writing, so it's not possible. Okay, so you have to be a writer. You have to follow all the steps which gives you, or which enables you to write with full attention and write an adequate writing. Good writing is always simple. Keep in mind that don't be a writer, or don't be a person who is writing complex writings. Okay, you have to be simple in your writing. Just use simple vocabulary. Just avoid all sort of technical terms, like if you are writing about health science and you are using the vocabulary of literature, or you are using the vocabulary of physical sciences, and you are using the vocabulary of mathematics, like in English you can't use digits or words related to mathematics. Same is the case with other institutions and other writings, that you will have to be specific in the field. You will have to use vocabulary according to your field. So good writing is always simple. You don't have to impress others with the help of using vocabulary which they are not familiar with. So you will have to put, and you will have to use simple words and simple ideas which are very clear and self-explanatory. Okay, remember, you are not alone. This point is also an important point in the strategies of good writing, that you have to remember, and you have to frequently remember, that you are not alone. Use the tools available. Use all sort of resources which are available to you at this stage for your writing, or for your which are helpful for your writing. Okay, introduction for an assignment. Now, how can you have your introduction for your assignment? One common strategy in writing the introduction section is that start with a broad idea about the topic. You will have to start with a larger scale. Okay, like if you are going to write down something about a specific topic, so you will have to follow the parameters, like you will start with a broader sense, and you will gradually make it possible that you are going from generalized to specific way, and at last you will have to be specific to your assignment topic, or your topic which you are intended to write down about, or you are intended to say something about. Okay, so you will start with a broader term, with a generalized term, and end your topic with specified term which you are intended to write about. Then discuss deeply the task to be taken, which you are given the task. You will have to write down about that particular task gradually. Okay. Finally, give the reader a brief review of your homework. And at final stage, when you complete your homework, or when you complete your assignment, in the introduction you will give a brief review, and this review will be your uh, thesis statement. It can be your thesis statement, like these will be specific your words, and these will be the words which you have taken from all these documents which you are thinking about this specific uh, field, or this specific topic. Okay, introduction for an assignment. It should be hypothetical research reports. Includes real life examples. You will have to include all the real life examples to bitterly bitterly gain the attention of the readers. Submit a report based on a case given to you. You will have to submit a report based on a case given to you, which case you are going to evaluate. You will have to submit a report on that as well. Widely used in university level competitions. You will have to give a report which are widely used in university level competitions, and that report was which sort of report? A case study report. Okay, so basically we have all these things for an effective introduction, that how you can make your introduction for the assignment. Okay, how to introduce yourself in an assignment. This is the way how you can introduce yourself in an assignment. Our tips for the introduction of oneself is assignment. Make the assignment about the learner's current role in organization. Okay, if you are going to write down about yourself in an assignment, you will have to put your name, your designation, and what you are doing over here in this organization. What is your basic role? If you are a student, you will have to give the brief description of your status, that I am a student over here, or I am a teacher over here in this institution, or what is my job over here. So this is the way you can introduce yourself in an assignment. If you think it suits the target group, you can ask them to share more personal matters such as hobbies, favorite movies, etc. So, this is how you can introduce yourself in an assignment which you are given. Our final topic of this lecture is features of a well written report. You will have a good written report, and if your report is having all these features. Number first feature for a good report is a good report has a clarity of thoughts. All these things are just revising in circle, as these are the steps for writing a good report or writing a good writing. A good report has a clarity of thoughts. I have already told you people that a good writing is having a simple ideas and simple vocabulary and clarity of thought. If someone is going to read your report or your assignment, so it's necessary for you that you put ideas, simple ideas and simple vocabulary to catch the attention of the reader. Complete and self-explanatory. Your data or your assignment must be a complete one and a self-explanatory one. Your assignment must have to be comprehensive and compact. This feature is also important for your assignment, that you have to give a comprehensive and compact idea of the thing which you are supposed to talk about. Proper date and signature is also necessary for the for writing down your assignment, for your writing down your reports, presented in a lucid style. All these things are much important for writing an report, or for writing any sort of writing. That could be an assignment, that could be an essay, that could be a brochure, that could be a report. Whatever you are going to write down, you have to follow all these features in your writing, so it can be a good writing, it can be a compact writing, it can be an appropriate writing, and it will catch the attention of the reader. It will be eye-catching, it will be an attractive writing. The reader will enjoy your writing, and the reader will go through your writing attentively and with full joy. And the reader will also gain a lot of things from your lecture. So this was our class about the assignment, or about the preparing your assignment, that how can you prepare your assignment or create your assignment. And in this very class we have discussed about different strategies of the good assignment, and different things, steps, that how can you make or create your assignment effectively, and different strategies of a good writing, how to start your introduction, how to introduce yourself in assignment, and different types of strategies which you are which were important for the writing and different sort of readings. So this was our class, today's class. Hope we will meet again with a new video lecture. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.